Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today for you I have this very simple smoked out wing liner, smoked out wing look for you guys, wing liner, whatever you guys want to call it. I didn't use any like liquid liner. I just used eyeshadow to create this look. I actually really like how it looks. It's honestly the perfect look for an everyday fall look. It literally took me maybe like 5-10 minutes to do my eyes, which is something that's not a usual thing for me because I take longer with my eyes, especially with the different eyeshadow looks. Hi. That is my son Adrian in the background. He won't be in the background throughout the video, but I really hope you guys enjoy this video. If you guys want to see how I created this look, just keep on watching. I'm going to be going in with my Maybelline Brow Ultra Slim Brow Pencil. Now you guys have seen this before, so I'm going to just fast forward this just so you guys can get an idea of what how I do my brows.
When I'm up through the night, I can't.
Okay, excuse the messy hair because I haven't done my hair yet. I always do my hair after my videos. So I'm gonna go and prime my lids. You guys already know I always go and prime my lids with the Gerard Cosmetics base. So there's nothing new with that. So you guys already know a lot of this goes a long way. So I really don't even put that much on my brush. And I just evenly spread this out with my flat brush, and then I go in with this little brush right here and just make sure it all blends out. I also use it to carve out my brows just to clean them up a little bit so they don't look too messy. And Gerard Cosmetics actually has a sale that's gonna go live for like Black Friday and Cyber Monday. If you guys haven't tried out this eye base, you guys need to get it because this is legit the best eye base I have ever used. I've mentioned it many times on my channel and it's very affordable. So I'm going to do like a blown out smoky winged liner for today's look. I'm going to be going in with the Jaclyn Hill Palette Volume 2, which is the collaboration with Morphe. I haven't gotten that much use out of it, but we're going to get use out of it today. So just to start off, I'm going to be using this shade right here, which is Temptress, just to kind of map out my wing before I go and smoke it out. Now this is the first time I'm doing this look, so I'm not sure if it's going to come out the way I want it to. So I'm just placing this on the edge first. This black is like very black, very pigmented.
Turn down the noise, tear all the worries out of my mind about who I'm supposed to be. I start to believe I can't get it right. Remember the days I let slip away, they were simpler times.
Okay, so that's kind of just like how it's looking so far. And then I'm going to go in with a little smudger brush and kind of buff this out. So I'm going to take this tiny brush here and I'm going to go in with this brown shade right here, which is G Money. And use that to like further blend it out and kind of just lay that right on top of it.
Mama told me before you leave, if there's only one thing you remember from me, child, when
kind of just making sure it blends out really nicely. Now this is kind of like a process where like you kind of have to keep going into black and like just kind of making sure it like gradually fades out. And then just with a bigger brush, I'm not getting any other shade, I'm just gonna blow this out. Just make sure kind of like, I'm gonna take a little bit of G Money and kind of just put it into my crease a little bit. Just so like my crease doesn't look too bare. really simple. It's not too much, and I think it's just like the perfect everyday fall look. I'm pretty much done with this eye. And I'm just gonna bring a little more brown right here. So that's pretty much just literally all I'm gonna do for the eyes. It's very simple fall look today. So I'm gonna go and do the other side, and I will be right back. Okay, so I finished both eyes. This wing came out longer than this one, but I will fix it in a bit. But so far, I love it. It looks really good, and I'm not worried about it. And I popped on lashes. I used the RIP lashes. I'm gonna go and prime my skin. I have been really on the dry side the last few days, so I'm gonna be going in with 2 hydrating primers. I'm gonna be taking the Fenty Beauty Soft Soak Pro Filter Hydrating Primer. And just make sure my face is like super hydrated, because I'm telling you guys, I've been on the dry side for the last week or so. It's killer. And then for the second primer, I'm going to be using For the second primer, I'm going to be using the e.l.f. Jelly Pop Dew Primer. And this one, I'm just going to press it into my face. Okay, so my face is primed. It's like the nice techie feeling. I'm going to go in with one of my favorite foundations. I haven't used it in a while. This is a Maybelline Dream Urban Cover Foundation. This is very nice. It's full coverage, but it kind of keeps me like, kind of dewy. It's not matte. I'm telling you, like, my skin is going through it right now, you guys. Like, I'm not sure if it's my allergies, if it's a changing in the weather, because here in California, it's literally cold one day and then it's stupid hot the next day. It's ridiculous. So I don't look too cakey. Like, do you guys see all these breakouts I have right here? I don't know what's going on with my skin. So then for concealer, I'm going to be using the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer, and this is in the shade Light Beige. Ooh, it's really yellow. Shit. That is very yellow. So I might have to go in with another one. This is one of my favorite concealers at the moment. But I was on Twitter, and one of the girls that I follow, she was saying how the Makeup Revolution concealer was a lot better than the e.l.f. concealer, and I kind of want to put that to the test. She said she didn't really like the Camo concealer all that much. Okay, so this was obviously too yellow for my skin tone. I'm gonna have to go in with like a lighter shade. I like this one more than the original Camo concealer because it doesn't dry out so fast, and I can just kind of let it sit. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with just a little bit of medium peach. Maybe this was a little lighter. Okay, it's a little lighter. Hopefully it'll balance it out because it looks way too yellow under my eye. Okay, that looks better. And I like that this is like very buildable. It like builds very nicely. So I did the concealer. It looks a lot better now that I added the lighter shade. I'm going to go in with my powder. I'm going to use the e.l.f. Halo Glow Setting Powder. This is one of my favorite powders to use when I want that more of a luminous, dewy look. So I'm going to go in and quickly set my face. I'm going to be using the Superstay powder. I don't want too much though, just like one top. I don't want to take away from the luminosity of the foundation, the concealer, and the primers. So just very quick set to the face. And I'm going to go in with my Milani Baked Bronzer. I honestly haven't been using anything else. You guys already know. You guys have been watching my channel. You already know I've been using this on the daily basis. I just love how beautiful this makes my skin look. don't mind the bruises. I woke up yesterday and throughout the day, like, my body was hurting. And I was like, what is wrong with me? And then I went to the bathroom and I was tying my hair, like, up into a bun. And I'm looking in the mirrors as I'm tying my hair. And, like, I look and I'm just like, what the hell is going on? Like, I have all these bruises all over my body. And I don't know what is causing them. Like, I'm not hitting myself. Like, I'm not hitting myself on, like, furniture or anything. I'm not, like, getting into bar fights either. You know, I just stay home. I don't do anything. So I don't know what is going on. I was supposed to call my doctor actually about that. So I'm going to go in with my Glowing in Grease palette. And I'm going to be using this darker blush here, which is called Santorini. I want more of, like, a darker blush. So I'm going to mix it with Mykonos. And this is, like, super pigmented. So just be careful. And then for highlight, I'm going to go in with my Artist Couture Diamond Glow Powder in Gold Digger. This is honestly one of my favorites. Woo! You'll see. Oh my god. It's too much on the brush. And just blend that out. Just a little bit goes a long, long way. See how gorgeous that is? And then I'm going to go in with the e.l.f. Retro Paradise Lip Liner. And this is in, I don't know what number this is. This is Nude 2. Okay, so for lips, I'm going to be going in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Liquid Lipstick. And this is in the shade Ashton. I think this lipstick just went really well with the whole look. And then I'm going to be adding a gloss once this dries down. I'm going to be adding the Lifter Gloss from Maybelline that has hyaluronic acid. And this is in the shade Stone. So I went and I did my hair while I let my lips dry. My hair isn't fully done. I like to curl my hair and I like to let the curls, like, sit kind of tight on my skin. Sit tight for a little bit before I comb it out. And make it look the way I want it to look. So I'm just going to add this Lifter Gloss.
Dancing on the moon.
And then I'm going to go in and set my face. I'm going to be using my Dry Cosmetics Slay All Day, of course. Just like that. Gotta make sure that is fully all over my face, and then kind of just fan it out to dry. I forgot I have a few finishing touches. I need to add mascara to the bottom. Actually, I'm gonna add some liner to the bottom lash first. I'm gonna go in with Mr. Bing from ColourPop and just put that right on the waterline. So this is the finished look, you guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed this very easy fall makeup tutorial, smoky wing liner. This is the first time doing this, so of course there's always room for improvement, but I really like how this came out today. If you guys recreate this look or like how this look came out, let me know in the comments down below. Then tag me on Instagram if you guys did recreate it. I know it's a very simple, very common look, obviously, but I just love how everything came together, the makeup products, and my son is like grabbing everything. But yeah, so don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. I just reached 800 subscribers, which is honestly such a huge milestone for me. I have been waiting for this for for a very, very long time. So subscribe, join the family, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys. Say hello. Look over there. Look at the camera. Hi. Say hello. Say hello to the camera. Say hello. He's looking at himself in the mirror, you guys. What's that? Is that you? Hey. That's right. Hi. Ok. Ay, no, teléfono. Vamos.